Hi, my viewers and my subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. All right. Today I'm going to I have some pork here. Okay. So today I'm going to roast it or bake it, but I'm going to put it in the oven for you to see how I do it. Okay. So I put a little seasoning on it already, so I'm going to put some more. You see? These are like the ribs. Okay. So I have some Stop Your Mama here. And so I'm just going to put a little bit more on it. Okay. So you can put whatever. Can you see? Okay, let me come here a bit. You can put whatever sauce or whatever you want to put on it. So I'm just going to put a little seasoning salt more on it. Okay. So this is all I'm going to put on it for now. But you put whatever you want to put on it. Salt or whatever, you put it on it. So I have these here. So I'm going to roast them in the oven. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to do all of it. Okay, all right. So this is it. Well seasoned and everything already. So you put whatever you want to. Let me put the camera a bit. All right. And as I say again, thank you for subscribing and tell another friend, tell a relatives man, tell somebody at your workplace, tell somebody at church to subscribe to the Henry's family. Okay? And this is my baking tray. I already turned on the oven, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in here. I have some water here. So you do it in whatever way you want to do it. Let me show you. Bring the camera a bit closer. Okay. So I'm just going to use some ketchup on it. And I think I have another sauce there. My sauce is all finished. I have some jerk seasoning here, so I'm going to put some on it also. Oh, this spoon is too big. Okay, so I have some jerk seasoning here too also. So I'm going to mix it in this. So you can use whatever you want to use in it. Whatever season you want to use on it, okay? So I'm going to put this now. You see? See? I'm going to put it here. I'm just trying to get rid of the oil. You see? If you want, you can cut off the fat. See, there's 2 pieces here. All right, guys. So you season it in whatever way you want to season it, okay? Right, so that's it. I'll just put these 2 little. Okay. If you want it spicy, you can put spice in this. Anything you want to put in it, you can put in it and make it up. So I had the jerk sauce, jerk seasoning, and I put a little ketchup on it. Okay. I have barbecue sauce, you have different sauce, so you use whatever you want to use on it. Okay? I'm not going to use this until after. You can see this is a ketchup and barbecue sauce. So I'm going to throw it here. I want it to spill. You can leave some for later, or you can make some more. put some more water on it. Okay, you can see. And my oven is so powerful, guys. If by the time I put the water, it will quickly dry down. So I have to put a lot. Okay. So watch the process as I go, guys. Just watch it. It's just some pork ribs I have here. All right. Okay. I'm going to open the oven now, which is already being hot. Okay. So I'm going to put it in. And it'll take maybe about an half an hour to cook, or about a 3/4 hour, because it's pork, it's not chicken, to it's softer. So you have to watch the process as I go. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for viewing my videos. So each time I turn it, you will see what is happening. Okay, so you spice it up in whatever way you want. Anything you want to put on it, you put ginger, cloves, anything at all you want to put on your meat, that's okay, that's fine. All right, watch the process as I go. Thank you again. Right? Big up yourself, man. Feel big up today. Okay? Guys, this is my pork. I'm just showing you how I'm turning it. Okay? It's getting its color. You can see? Okay. A lot of oil is in it. A lot of oil. These are the ribs, but a lot of oil is in it. Okay? All right. Turn this one already. Yeah, too. Okay? Let me know if you eat pork. I love pork. I love pork, but pork don't love me. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to put it back in the oven. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, I'm getting there. You can see. So I still have a lot of juice in it. You can see. So I may put a little bit more water in it. Welcome back, my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. So my pork ribs is finished. So I have some sauce here. So I'm going to put some sauce on it. Some of it here, and the rest is right here. So what I'm going to do, just watch the process as I go. Okay, guys? I have some here. So I have the rest of the sauce that I have here. So I'm going to just do like this. And guys, it tastes so good. I do like this. Some on the back. Barbecue. Okay, guys, it tastes so good. I don't need to use this. I just use this one here. Okay. So you can do a thing like this. Get a brush like this. Okay. And put it over here like this. Like this. Okay. And let me know how you do your pork. What do you put on it? Okay, guys, this is how I do it. It's well tasty and everything, not too salty. And see, and it's not too fresh. Guys, if you see the amount of oil that came out of the meat, so much oil. I'm going to show you the oil when I'm finished. Lots of oil came out. Okay, you can see. Lots of oil. This is the rest of the ketchup and barbecue sauce. Splash. Guys, you can see, I'm just showing you the amount of oil. You can see? Oil. So imagine if I cook this up all up, the amount of oil that goes in our system. You can see the oil? So many oil. And this is my finished product. You can see? Barbecue ribs. All right. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Tell a friend to tell another friend. And remember, guys, to put God first in everything. He's going to surely make the way for us. Just put him at the front of the battle. And remember, subscribe to my channel. When you're watching, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Blessing upon your life. Peace out every time. All right? Do you want peace? Tell me where you're watching me from. Okay, guys? Look at it. So beautiful. All right? Pork ribs with barbecue sauce. Blessing. Bless up yourself. Bye bye. Love you. See you in my next channel.